Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Cafe. Today's common phrase of the day is mince words. Let's not mince words. Excuse me. This phrase, let's not mince words or mince words, means to speak honestly and directly without trying to soften or sugarcoat the message. It is used when someone wants to express their opinion clearly, even if it might be harsh or unpleasant. The explanation here, mince, means to cut something into very small pieces, like mincing garlic or mincing meat. In this phrase, mincing words means softening or carefully choosing words to make something sound less harsh. When someone says, let's not mince words, they mean let's be direct and say exactly what we mean. So here are some sentences. Let's not mince words. Your project needs a lot of improvement before it's ready. The coach didn't mince words when he told the team they played terribly. I won't mince words. You need to start working harder if you want to pass this class. So please use this, try it out, try to listen to it, listen for it when you're watching movies or watching the news or a talk show or anything like that, where people are going back and forth with the conversation, and see how you do. Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe. We always enjoy your company. Bye, guys.